10 habits that make your car last forever. Welcome back to the channel. Here's a question. How long do you want your car to last? Most people hope for maybe 150,000 miles, but what if I told you your car could last 250,000, even 300,000 miles, without major problems? The truth is, most cars don't fail because they're too old. They fail because owners don't know how to take care of them. In this video, you'll learn 10 simple habits that can literally add years to your car's life. Follow these tips and your car will reward you with fewer repairs, lower costs, and a lot more peace of mind. 1. Warm up your engine. When you start your car in the morning, don't slam the gas pedal. Your engine oil is cold and thick. It takes about 30 to 60 seconds to flow through the engine. If you rev the engine too early, you're forcing dry metal parts to rub together. Over time, that wears out your pistons and bearings. Think of it like running a marathon without stretching first. You might get away with it once, but do it every day and your car will break down sooner. Start your car, let it idle briefly, and drive gently for the first few minutes. Your engine will thank you. 2. Change oil on time. Oil is the lifeblood of your car. Dirty old oil creates sludge, friction, and heat. Skipping an oil change to save a few dollars is like refusing to drink water because you don't want to buy a bottle. The damage adds up fast. A $40 oil change can prevent a $4,000 engine rebuild. Don't just buy the cheapest oil. Use the grade recommended in your owner's manual. Change oil on schedule. For most cars, that's every 5,000 to 7,000 miles. Set a reminder in your phone so you never forget. 3. Check tire pressure. Your tires are the only part of your car that touches the road. Driving with low tire pressure wears them out faster. It also makes the engine work harder and wastes fuel. Overinflated tires reduce grip and make your car less safe. Check your tire pressure once a month, and always before a long trip. It only takes 2 minutes with a simple gauge. Proper tire care can easily add 10,000 miles to your tires and save you hundreds of dollars. 4. Don't ignore warning lights. That little check engine light is not a suggestion. Many car owners ignore it until the car breaks down on the side of the road. A bad oxygen sensor costs about $100. Ignore it, and you could ruin your catalytic converter, which costs $1,000. When a warning light comes on, scan it. An OBD2 scanner costs less than dinner at a restaurant. Plug it in, read the code, and fix small problems early before they turn into disasters. 5. Drive smoothly. Aggressive driving is one of the fastest ways to shorten your car's life. Hard braking, sudden acceleration, and sharp turns all put extra stress on brakes, suspension, transmission, and engine. Imagine carrying a cup of water. If you walk smoothly, no problem. Sprint and stop suddenly and water spills everywhere. That's your car spilling money in repairs. Accelerate gently, brake gradually, avoid potholes when possible. Smooth driving saves fuel, reduces stress, and makes your car last longer. 6. Replace filters regularly. Your car breathes through filters, air filters, cabin filters, and fuel filters. A dirty engine air filter reduces performance. A clogged cabin filter weakens your AC. A bad fuel filter can damage injectors. Filters are cheap and easy to replace. Most take less than 5 minutes. Check filters every 10,000 to 12,000 miles. Replace them as needed. 7. Use quality fluids. Fluids are like blood and nerves for your car. Coolant, brake fluid, transmission oil, and power steering fluid. Low coolant causes overheating. Old brake fluid reduces stopping power. Wrong transmission oil can destroy your gearbox. Check all fluids once a month. Always use the type recommended in your manual. Cheap universal fluids can ruin expensive systems. Spend a little more now to save a lot later. 8. Wash and wax. Washing a car is not just about looks. Dirt, mud, and road salt eat away at paint and metal. Over time, rust forms. Wash your car at least once a month. Wax it twice a year to protect the paint. A clean, protected car doesn't just look great, it lasts much longer. 9. Service your brakes. Brakes are your most important safety feature. Many people wait until they hear grinding metal. Worn brake pads are cheap to replace, but if you wait too long, you damage rotors, calipers, and even the master cylinder. This can turn a $100 repair into $800. Pay attention to squeaks, vibrations, or longer stopping distances. Check pads and brake fluid regularly. Replace them before they ruin other parts. 10. Follow the maintenance schedule. Every car has a maintenance schedule. Most people ignore it. The schedule tells you when to change fluids, belts, spark plugs, and other parts. Skipping these is like skipping doctor checkups. You feel fine until suddenly you don't. Look up your schedule in the manual or online. Set reminders in your calendar. Preventive maintenance costs far less than emergency repairs. This habit alone can add years to your car's life and thousands to its resale value, so there you have it. 10 habits that will make your car last forever. Warm up the engine, change oil on time, check tire pressure, don't ignore warning lights, drive smoothly, replace filters, use quality fluids, wash and wax, service your brakes, and follow the maintenance schedule. Do these and your car will reward you with years of reliable service. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more car repair tips, and share this with every car owner you know. Thanks for watching and drive safe.